Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your Honda Emblem on your steering wheel looks all beat up like this one. Alright guys, take a little bit of sandpaper, this is a little 2000 grit, and just sand around it. You want to get rid of all this flat, shiny stuff. Okay. Just do this. And this stuff comes up pretty easily. Now you want to clean it all up. I'm going to use some of this tough stuff to spray it. Spray some more. And use a little brush. If you have a little toothbrush, that works even better. Try to get in those crevices. Alright, now you want to let this dry, but if you want to speed up the process, just use a hair dryer. Now you want to tape around this whole thing. Painter's tape works better, but I don't know what happened to mine, so I'm using regular masking tape. So we're gonna tape around it like this. Okay. And now grab yourself some newspaper and start masking up the outsides. Okay. Alright, then grab yourself some rubbing alcohol and just wipe this down to get all the grease and stuff out of it. Alright guys, get yourself some plastic dip. This comes in different colors. I'm just going to use black. And shake it for a minute after the bowl starts, you start the bowl going. So now we're going to spray very thin coats, okay? Alright, that's it. Let that dry for about, between 15 and 30 minutes. And then we're going to give it another coat. Alright, we're going to do a second coat. Alright guys, every time you do a coat, that one I went kind of facing up. But you want to go from all different directions, okay? So you get all the angles of the letter there. Okay, just finished the fifth coat. And you could do as many coats as you want, but you don't want this to build up too much and like cover up all those crevices. You want it to keep it nice and thin, just enough to cover, And I forgot to tell you, make sure you put some newspaper here because some of the overspray might get on your seats, okay? But it's starting to look pretty good. Alright guys, I gave it 6 coats altogether, so now you can start taking apart all this newspaper. Alright. Now what you want to do is grab it, just kind of peels right off actually, or you want to pull it away from like that. Oops, don't beep the horn. All right. Just keep peeling away. All right, guys, check it out. She's all done. What do you think? I think it came out good. I did not bother peeling off the plastic tip from the middle, only because I don't think I have to. She looks fine the way it is. Now, if you're gonna paint it a different color, you're obviously gonna have to sit there and peel it from the middle. But it looks fine. As far as the chrome is concerned, I don't think you're gonna miss it because there's nothing else chrome in this car except maybe this and around these knobs a little bit. But blacked out looks good. So what do you think? Drop a comment. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.